Hi, this is Eric Partsong, and today we're going to show you how to replace the drive belt on your Whirlpool washer. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation brands, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new drive belt for your Whirlpool washer, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. The drive belt connects the motor and the Splutch or cam pulley assembly to help spin the basket during operation. If the belt is broken or damaged, it will need to be replaced. For this repair, disconnect power and water to the washer. For this repair, you'll need access to the bottom of the washer, so you'll want to flip it onto its front on a soft surface to avoid scratching or damaging it. Make sure you grab an extra pair of hands when doing so to avoid injury. Then, using a screwdriver or ratchet with a 5/16 socket, remove the two screws holding the pulley cover in place. Then, remove the drive belt by pulling on it as you rotate it. If you need to purchase a new drive belt, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you are getting the correct part. To reinstall the drive belt, simply put it around the smaller pulley, then align it to the middle of the top Splutch pulley and pull and rotate the pulley until the belt slides over it. The top pulley does not have a groove for it to sit in, so just make sure it is aligned to the middle of the pulley. To install, align the pulley shield or cover to the bottom of the gear house case and then reinstall the two screws. And that's it for today's video. Make sure to grab an extra pair of hands while lifting the washer up, as it can be heavy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.